Designed for heavy shop or industrial use, Ingersoll-Rand electric-driven, two-stage air compressors provide the reliability and performance that is ideal for most applications including automotive service and body shops, fleet maintenance, machine shops, production and manufacturing lines, woodworking shops, dry cleaners, car washes, general maintenance, repair shops and farms. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Long life. Durable cast iron construction, long-lasting extended pump life designed for over 15,000 hours of trouble-free use. Number 2. Maximum power and flexibility. 100% continuous duty, 5 or 7.5 horsepower two-stage air compressor, 175 psig maximum operating pressure, and an 80-gallon ASME receiver tank provide plenty of punch for the most demanding applications. Number 3. Easy to service. Individually cast cylinders, overhung crankshaft and one-piece connecting rod simplify maintenance and service. Number 4. Reliable operation. All-season select synthetic lubricant increases efficiency. With 2,000 hours of service between changeouts, it performs 4 times longer than petroleum-based lubricants. Number 5. 2-year warranty available. Purchase an all-season select lubricant startup kit, and receive all the parts you need for startup in the first year of maintenance, along with an extended pump warranty. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it have an intercool system? Answer. The unit does include a finned copper intercooler. Question number 2. Is it a single-phase 220 power-ready unit or is it a 3-phase? Answer. This is a 230-volt, single-phase air compressor. Question number 3. What are the measurements of the footprint required for installation? Answer. Here are the dimensions from the manufacturer. Dimensions: 38 length x 26 width x 70 height. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.